Hello. In this Java 21 video, I will be covering switch statements for multi-way logic. This is a key control structure that helps you evaluate a single expression against multiple possible values in a clean and readable format. Let us begin with the basic syntax of a switch statement in Java. As we can see here, our first example uses a switch statement to print the name of a day based on a numeric variable. So first, here in our main, we are defining our day to be equal to 3. And next is the actual switch statement that depends on the day variable. So each case is checked one by one. So if day is 1, it prints out Monday. If day is 2, it prints out Tuesday. If day 3, it prints out Wednesday, and so on and so forth. Note there's also a default case at the end of the switch statement, which is similar to an else in an if, the final else in an if-else chain. And this just, if it's not one of the 7 options of the week, it prints out that's an invalid day. Note the break statement is used to stop the program when continuing on to the next case. So let us compile. Let's make sure we save. Let us compile and run the program. So with Java C, example1.java, as you can see, it prints out Wednesday. Okay, now let us go on to the second example. Here we are doing a similar concept, but instead it's for the months. Here, several cases are grouped together without code in between them. So if the month is 12, 1 or 2, it's going to print out winter. If the month is 3, 4, 5, it's going to print out the spring. If the case is 6, 7, or 8, it's going to print out summer. And then if the case is 9, 10, 11, it's going to print out autumn. Or if it's any other number, that's not 1 through 12, it prints out an invalid month. So again, we are defining the month, and then next we are defining our switch case structure to determine the season. And at that point, we have all of our cases. A switch statement can only work with certain types: byte, short, char, int, string, and enum types, which we will get to the latter two in the future video. It cannot be used for ranges or conditions. For more complex logic, using if-else is the better way to go. So let us save and let's compile this example. And let us run the program. As you can see, it prints out spring. Let us summarize the key takeaways. A switch statement is a cleaner alternative to multiple if-else checks. Each case represents a possible match and should usually end with break. Default runs if no other case matches. Multiple cases can be grouped together to handle the same outcome. And valid types for switch include int, string, and enum. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment. Please reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and have a great day.